friends. Thank you for stopping by PenguinGambling on YouTube. We are going to play Invaders from the planet Moolah. Moolah today.
Hopefully we're going to get a lot of moolah.
That's right. That's Mrs. Penguin here with me. And let's see. We are on 1 cent denom, and we can bet anywhere from 30 credits to 300 credits. I'm going to bet 90 credits. We're starting with $82 and change, but I'm telling myself $82 very specifically so that in 5 minutes I'll remember how much I started with. Because many of my videos I'm like, now how much did I start with? So, okay, here we go. Planet Moolah. Fun game, a lot of bonuses, but there's a lot of symbols on that board, so you think you should get line pays and you don't sometimes.
I like when the invaders suck people up.
We need one more line pay. Nope. One more line pay would have given us 7 free spins, and then if we kept getting line pays, we'd go up. Yeah. And a lot of wilds show up on this, but they don't always make line pays either when you think they should.
They should though. I feel like they should.
The other thing about this game, one complaint, is that the reels fall fast. I'd like to. Some games give you the ability to slow down the reels. I wouldn't mind slowing these down a little bit because when you're betting and you're not hitting, your money goes fast.
Yes.
As I'm demonstrating right now.
There's a house here this morning. Keep going.
Yeah, keep going. Hit again. One more. Oh, see? That's what I'm talking about. The wild fell on reel 2, and you think it's got to match something, but no, it doesn't.
Feels like it should though.
Right?
I do like the little designs, like the chickens and the little camper.
Yeah.
And the outhouses.
And the, for lack of a better word, I mean, you got to call it like you see it. It's a redneck.
Oh, your wilds are there on
Wild,
the end.
yeah. Again, a lot of wilds will fall, but they won't always do what you want.
All right.
Oh, and it ends.
And then it stops. I like Grandpa with his little vibe there. Keep going.
But
Whatever.
mailboxes.
Hey, maybe you're gonna get warmed up though.
Maybe.
And the cowgirl reminds me of my niece. She is the cowgirl.
Ooh.
Those. Exciting. Right.
Yep. That was an $8 win right there.
You're kidding me.
Yeah, drop the wilds like that
And then it goes thump.
again. Yeah.
But that's okay. Look, $9.90 total on that.
Yeah, that was good.
That
The
was
dog
good.
kind of looks like Scooby-Doo. Even his little name tag.
Oh, yeah. Wow. I think I might go like brown cow for this.
960. 1050 on that spin. That's good.
That is
So,
really good.
I'm trying
Oh
not
my
to
gosh.
talk when it's cascading or making noise because it's so loud. I don't even know, even with mics, if it's picking up our audio. I like that it's loud. If I sit down at a game that doesn't have audio, I'm not too likely to play it for very long. Yeah,
You like the
bunch of dead spins now.
you like the interaction.
Yeah. We're giving back the $9 and $10 wins now.
15 cents.
Yeah. Good pay, yeah. Still counting all those pays, yeah. Just let it play out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You know me. I always want to play out. I don't want to ever hit the button.
Hey, come on. 2 more line pays. Let's get those free spins.
This is a really fun game.
Yeah.
It's been around for a while, right?
Yeah. Like, this is the newer version of it, but it used to be on, like, what I would call the old machines. In fact, I think we've seen one this weekend. It was probably over at Ameristar, but... See, looky there. Wild's on 2, but nothing. You guys, you little alien cows, or you, yeah, have sucked up enough of the wild cows. Let's hit a bonus so they can come back out and play.
Right? That would be exciting. So right now you're up.
Yeah. Outhouses for the pay. Oh, and the mailboxes too. Now let's get chickens on 1. Oh, see, chickens on 1 would have been another pay.
That would have been good.
So who's grandpa remind you of? Anyone? Or grandma? Knitting up there?
Not really. My grandpa smoked a pipe, but he did not look like that.
I also had a grandpa that smoked a pipe.
Yeah. I didn't like the smell of cigarette smoke, but I like the smell of the pipe every now and then.
Yeah.
Just
Black
reminds
cherry
me of-
tobacco smells so good.
Yeah. It does. Now my sister, she's got chickens. Oh man, she has some of the best eggs.
Yeah, but you don't like cleaning eggs, do you?
No, I don't like washing the eggs. That is not fun. He was a very deep.
Yeah, I know.
He was
All
a
the moves
steer.
on this, but we both noticed that one. No.
The truck needs to be red instead of green. I've always had red or orange farm trucks.
Yeah.
Never a green one.
Come on, let's get a bonus. That's what we're all here for.
Yes, I love the free games. Oh my gosh. Even if I only win $1, it's exciting.
And I don't play this game a lot because I don't generally have much luck on it.
Alright, so playing at Moolah, prove them wrong.
Yeah. Move! It wasn't good at that. Move! Wild on 2. Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah, I wish I had better luck at this game because I'd like to play it more. It is fun.
It is. Yeah.
And I will play a game if I'm having fun, but I also will cut my losses at some point. So, and I'm going to do that here. You know, we've been playing for 9 minutes and we're back even. I'm going to make one 60-cent bet.
Keep going.
Du-du-dum. Yeah, so, you know, 9 minutes of play and I didn't spend any money because we're cashing out where we started at 82, but $2.
Close enough,
Yeah, it's
yeah.
close enough for government work. So,
And that was fun watching the cows get sucked away.
yep, and I played this and I enjoyed it and I didn't lose any money, so excuse me. So, all right, well, thanks for watching. Please comment and like on this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate that. You can turn that bell on and know when I post videos. And that's it. Until next time, I'm wishing you nothing but blue skies and green lights.